Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: PM wants work on electoral reforms initiated on war footing. Prime Minister Imran Khan decided to form a parliamentary committee to bring about electoral reforms in the country. Maryam Nawaz submits reply to LHC in NAB's plea for bail cancellation. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Vice President Maryam Nawaz has submitted his reply to the Lahore High Court over the National Accountability Bureau petition for the cancellation of her bail in Chaudhry Sugar Mills case. Cricketer Hassan Ali and wife welcome baby girl. Hassan Ali and wife Sumaya Arzu have welcomed her first child, a baby girl, the cricketer announced early on Tuesday, 5th April. PIA to operate 3 additional flights to UK ahead of 9th April ban. Pakistan International Airlines said it will operate 3 more flights to the United Kingdom ahead of the 9th April travel ban. Sindh government imposes ban on inter-provincial transport. Keeping in view the recent spike in COVID-19 cases, amid the third wave of the disease, the Sindh government imposed a ban on inter-provincial transport. Over 100 COVID-19 deaths and 3,953 infections reported in 24 hours. Coronavirus has claimed 103 more lives in Pakistan during the past 24 hours, taking the overall death toll to 14,924. Schools to remain closed until 28th April. A-level exams to be taken as per schedule. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.